Hello viewers, Ford DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to replace the rear taillight bulbs on a Mazda CX-9. This is a 2015 model, the first generation found between the years of 2006 to 2015. Checking all the bulbs to determine which isn't illuminating. We can go through a test checking the parking lights, brake lights, signal lights, and even reverse lights. To gain access to the taillight and the main body, remove the two Phillips screws after the hatch has been opened. The light is clipped in on the front side. It needs to be pushed back towards the rear of the vehicle. I found it's easiest to use the palm of my hand to hit the light back. Once out, you can see there are two clips. One that is located towards the bottom of the light that goes into a hole, and the other one that is on the side where it fits into a slot. There are three bulbs here. Twist counterclockwise and then pull each one out to remove the bulbs. The bulbs use a slide-in spade connection. The one bulb is burnt out here, so I simply grab onto the bulb firmly, then it's pulled from the socket. The new bulb is installed. It's always a good idea to wipe the lens to remove any oil from your skin, which can shorten the life of a bulb. Before installing the socket back into the assembly, confirm that the newly replaced bulb is working correctly. Align the tabs, push the socket into place into the light assembly. Then twist clockwise until it stops to lock it into place. To install the light, make sure those clips are aligned. One is with the slot on the outside and the other is with the clip that fits into the hole. Then push the light firmly into place until it stops. Then install the two Phillips screws. Don't over-tighten them as it's only plastic. Next is a light on the tailgate. There will be a small plastic access panel in the rear trim. Slip your nail into a small cutout hole, then pull the cover straight out, and you will see there's two tabs on the opposite side. As you can see, here is the bulbs inside. To remove the electrical connector, depress the tang on the one side and then pull straight off. To remove the bulb, it's the same process as before. Rotate the socket counterclockwise and then pull straight out. To install, align the tabs to the socket and push it into place. Then rotate clockwise until it stops. Snap that electrical connector back into place. Reinstall that plastic cover, insert those two tabs first, and then snap the outside portion back into place. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. Leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.